Welcome to another teacher tip with Mr. Long, and we're going to look at how we can take an Excel spreadsheet and convert it into a PDF document. So here I've got an Excel spreadsheet and I want to save it as a PDF document. Now the first thing that I do is I first of all go here to the page break preview because I want to see what each page is going to look like. So when I click on this, I can see exactly how each page is going to be displayed in my PDF document. So I can adjust it accordingly, according to the page breaks. I can insert page breaks and use all those tools, but make sure that each page is exactly the way you want it to look. You can also come here to the page layout and set your orientation and so on. So get all that perfect. Once that is done, then you can go over here to File, Save As, and you can select where you want to save your file, but you must select the option to save as a PDF document and then click on Save. And there you can see my PDF document with the pages laid out the way I want it to be. In this spreadsheet, we've actually got multiple worksheets. Now, what happens if I want to print all of them or particular pages from them? Now, this is the little thing that you can do. So when you go to them, again, I would follow that procedure of going to the page break preview, making sure that you've got the layout that you want. And then you can come here to File, Save As. I would then go to More Options, so that you can get the Save As dialog box. It's got all the same options where you can select where you want to save it, the name, and you can go and select it as a PDF. Once you've selected PDF, you now have options. Let's see what options are available to us. At the moment, the active sheet is selected, which means only that will be converted to a PDF. But if I select entire workbook, it will create a PDF with all the different workbooks and all the pages in each and every single one of them. If I want specific pages, maybe I want page 2 to 4, then you can specify the pages here. Now take note, I think my first worksheet had 2 pages and then my second one had 2 as well. In that case, it would skip the first page of worksheet 1 if I made that a 2, and it would start from the second page of worksheet 1 and then go until all the pages on worksheet 2. So you can play around with that to see what pages you want to print. But I'm going to select all, so let's have a look and see what it does. And here you can see that it now is 13 pages and it's got every worksheet page in my PDF document. And that's how you save a spreadsheet as a PDF document. For more teacher tips for both the novice and the experienced teacher, make sure you go to our YouTube channel at Mr. Long Teacher Tips. Click on that like button, share us with your fellow teachers so we can help them as well. And remember, don't do it the long way, do it the Mr. Long way.